Hello everyone, welcome back to Fox Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to close all Safari tabs on your iPad. iPads are very often used for web browsing, and having too many tabs open can cause a lot of trouble and issues. That's why it's important to know how to manage them properly. I'll show you how to close them all at once and how to set up automatic tab closing after a certain period of inactivity. Let's get started. First, open the Safari web browser on your iPad. Check for any open tabs by tapping on the tab icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. This icon is used to switch between open tabs in Safari. To close all tabs at once, long press on the tab icon. After holding it down for a moment, a menu will appear with the option to close all tabs. Tap on this option and then confirm that you want to close all open tabs. This will close all tabs in your regular browsing mode. If you're using private browsing mode, the process is very similar. Switch to private browsing mode by tapping on the tab icon and then selecting private. Once you're in private browsing mode, repeat the same steps. Long press on the tab icon, select close all tabs, and confirm. This will close all tabs in private browsing mode as well. It's also worth noting that simply closing the Safari browser will automatically close all open tabs in private browsing mode. For those who want an even easier way to manage tabs, setting up automatic tab closing can be very useful. To set this up, go to your iPad settings app, then scroll down and tap on Safari. Within the Safari settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Close Tabs. This feature allows you to choose how often Safari will automatically close tabs that have been inactive. You can choose from 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month of inactivity. By default, this setting is likely set to manual, meaning you have to close tabs yourself. By selecting one of these automatic options, you can ensure that your Safari browser remains clutter-free without any extra effort on your part. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your browsing experience smooth and efficient. And that's it. Now you know how to close all Safari tabs on your iPad, both manually and automatically. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Fox Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Peace.